Hello! Oh, to be a kid again. Yahoo! I tell my kids all the time to enjoy their childhood because adulting a lot of times kind of sucks. So any moment that I can capture from my childhood and bring it to my adulthood and share with my kids, I'm gonna give them that experience. I'm gonna do everything in my power to give them that experience. And lo and behold, the Super Mario Lego Edition has arrived.
Yeah!
Now you can see in the background there's a couple other sets that came included with this package. I pre-ordered this on Lego.com back I think in April when this was first announced. It was released on August 1st. It took a couple days to get to me, but it's finally here. So of course you can pick this up on Amazon for about 60 bucks. Right now it is kind of back ordered, at least in the time of the recording. So it may be hard to get your hands on one, but stay strong and stay the course. Eventually you should be able to get one. So because I want to share this experience with my kids, this is not going to be a full build. We're just going to talk about what this comes with. Maybe we'll play a little bit with the Mario character and have a little fun. So let's get into it. So just like a lot of other things that you have expandable packs and expandable things, a lot of times you got to have, the starter course and then expand upon that. That is the case here. In order to get Mario, you got to pick up the starter course. This course is rated for people 6 years and older. The model number is 71360, Adventures with Mario. This thing only has 231 pieces. It's kind of a small course, but hey, you're paying the majority of the money for the actual Mario. Looks like Mario has music and sound, brick and color recognition, an LCD screen, and Bluetooth connectivity. On this side of the box, you can interact and collect coins. Batteries not included. Oh my goodness. Ooh, hopefully you have some of those batteries laying around. Man, you're paying 60 bucks Lego? Come on now. You gotta include the batteries at least. On the top back side of the box, we got a start pipe, a goal pole, Bowser Jr., a Goomba, and a block, along with Mario. And then on the back side of the box, you can rebuild your course. Comes with digital building instructions in a free app. So you gotta download the Lego app, so that's where the smartphone comes into play. So you can build your course, complete the challenges, and rebuild. Build, complete, rebuild. Build, complete, rebuild. That's the beautiful thing about Lego, is whatever you build, you're not stuck with it. You can change it up, you can swap it out, you can add stuff, you can take stuff. The possibilities are endless. It's amazing what people are building with Lego. The bottom of the box says the batteries are required, 2 1.5 volt AAA batteries. I gotta go digging deep to find some batteries. But that's about it for the box. Let's see what you get inside. Alright, so we're given a quick start guide. Inside of it, it tells you how to put the batteries into Mario to make them come alive. And then it also shows kind of a layout of if you get all the expansion packs, how it's gonna look. Nice. We got 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, 4 bag, 5 bag, and 6 bag. See, we all can learn something here on Handsome Gadgets.
Oh, gosh!
But the star of the show, I know what you guys are looking for, is Mr. Mario himself. Let's open the box. And there we have Mario. It's kind of creepy because he's turned off, so don't let him scare you.
Boom!
I promise you kids, he'll be alive in no time once I find some batteries. Here's the back of Mario. We got our Bluetooth and our power on and power off button. And then it looks like the legs are probably somewhere in these bags. But yeah, there's Mario. Yahoo! So with my pre-order, Lego decided to thank me with some
Extra.
And so we got this. This one is designed for people 7 years or older. The model number is 40414. This one is Monty Mole and Super Mushroom. 163 pieces. On the back of the box, we got further instructions. We got a QR code in the bottom left-hand corner. And on the right-hand side, you got, of course, download the app to get your instructions. On the top of the box, we got Stone Eye, Monty Mole, and a Super Mushroom. Very nice and very fun. And last but not least, we got this limited edition Lego set. This is made for people 8 years and older. The model number is 40371. This one has 239 pieces, and the name of this is Building Toys. So you make what you want to make out of what they give you, I guess. Back of the box looks like we got 3 different layers if we build it correctly. And yeah, cool. Okay, so that about wraps up the video. You know, I'm sorry that I didn't build it for you guys. Maybe I'll share some photos on Instagram or Twitter, but I really want to share this experience with my kids, and so yeah, I gotta build it with them. I just gotta. But also, Handsome Nation, I just wanted to show you guys just quickly, you know, what this is all about in case you want to check it out. And of course, if you have any other questions or anything that maybe I didn't cover that you want me to cover or comment about or whatever, just leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the LEGO Super Mario Starter Course, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, as it definitely helps out the channel quite a bit. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.